What the fuck? Oh, I heard myself on the YouTube, and I was like, what the fuck? I forgot to mute it.
Sick.
Now they can hear me. All right, I've been talking this whole time and no one's been able to hear me because I'm terrible at this. But anyway.
Can I say something before you start? Your voice sounds different than how you type on Reddit.
Yeah, it does?
For sure.
How do I type on Reddit? Like a fucking idiot?
Yeah, I would assume you sound more like, like you breathe a lot and stuff.
Like I breathe a lot?
What the fuck?
I would say Twiggy sounds just like how I thought he would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which
you sound
is...
you sound kind of like how I thought you'd sound.
Yeah, YouTube helps with that. Imagine if you could see me.
If we could see you, it would just probably be a lot of mouth breathing, I'd imagine.
I got a gay or good twig. And it's pretty much the fucking elephant in the room, gay or good.
Okay.
New Supra, gay or good?
Good.
That's a big elephant in the room, and Neckier, I'm pretty sure you're gonna say gay.
Yeah, and it's not hard gay, it's a soft gay. You know, it's like really leaning.
Dude, I think I have
gay.
to go with good though, because it's like stupid fast.
What we're talking about is a car with rear-wheel drive, turbo, with a straight six.
Yeah, BMW straight six. Like it's.
Yeah, I mean, it's everyone who's complaining. They call the N54 the German 2J, and I mean, there's a reason for that. They're fucking good. You know, they're a pain in the ass, but they're fucking good.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm pretty stoked on. I mean, I don't want to change the topic here, but I'm pretty stoked to hear that they're going to do that. They might do the MR2. I'm pissed that Subaru's involved because Subaru fucks up everything. But
no, they don't. Common misconception.
I think it'd be cool. It'd be cool because it'd probably be one of the last like mass-produced mid-engine cars ever.
Yeah, if they do that, I almost feel like they won't even do the mid-engine. They'll do like an MR2 like revamp. But I mean,
everything, like from what I saw, it was like stupid fucking like Indian clickbait sites that had MR2 shit. So I mean, I'm not holding my breath. Gay or good, 0 turn radius lawnmowers.
Those are sick.
I mean, they're pretty good for mowing.
How's the like aftermarket?
And they're fun to drive too.
Yeah, they're sick. I wheelie the shit out of mine.
Is there like an OEM plus like lawnmower scene?
I've never really looked into it, but
there probably is.
We get into this all the time. You'd be like, "Will you sell me this?" And I'm like, "Yo, I have this, and this into it. Cost me this much." And he'll be like, "Well, I was thinking like," and it's always like $5 grand less. If I tell him $5 grand, it's 2,500 or $3 grand or whatever.
So then you just have to add $5 grand to whatever you want.
Dude, I literally would do that. I'd go to like Jeff and I'd be like, "Dude, he's gonna want to buy these. I'm gonna tell him a number. He's gonna lowball me $3 grand off of it. So I'll watch this." And I'd like tell him a number, and I'd be like, "I'll tell you exactly what he's gonna pay." And it was every time. He'd be like this, and I'd be like, "Exactly what I want for it. Here you go."
Gay or good, Divine's taste in cars.
Gay.
It is gay. It's done.
Why is that controversial?
I don't think it.
I mean,
because people like fucking suck his dick on the sub, and it's weird.
Yeah,
and
but it can
like,
be gay, and like he can like it.
But it's
yeah,
bad.
I mean, there's a lot of things that people are into that are gay.
Yeah, like deleting side mirrors. That's pretty fucking gay.
Deleting side mirrors is weird.
It's pretty weird.
Yeah, I remember when I got fucked over for $2,400 floor mats.
Yeah, hell yeah. No, that was Canada. I still deal with Canada.
What? Stop!
Fucking asshole. So I mean, like, it just, there's no way. It's so long ago. It was, I want to say it was 2010 or 2012. Yeah, 2011. It was like so long ago.
So like people watching this were still shitting their pants back then. I mean, they still are, but.
What do you mean?
The people watching right now, everyone watching and listening.
Oh, shitting their pants. Yeah, sure.
Oh, and also real quick, Tommy, when you thought that Twiggy was me, and you said that I have a 240, I'm gonna set the record straight.
You got a Sylvia.
I have a fucking Sylvia. I don't have a fucking
like
240
with the Roadster shit.
It's
a
Miata.
different fucking car, dude.
I want to tell you, part of that, like saying you have a 240 was like a shot.
Okay,
that was,
you got me.
You
profiled
me. You hard.
You fucking you critted me.
He
I'm
could
not
tell
gonna
you were a ricer.
That's a low key shot.
You got to crit, dude. You got to crit.
You got one of those 240s. Cool, dude.
Do you want to know the best part about his not 240? Is his like 70-part valve cover gasket video series he's doing.
Yeah, if you guys want to see how to change a coil pack cover, on a
pack cover, that was
SR20.
it.
Come go
Coil
check out
pack
my
cover?
YouTube, House of the Rising Sun. It's 7 parts, and I'm not finished yet.
7-part video.
Yeah,
If Tommy did
It
that,
might
he'd
even
be
be 8 parts.
crucified in the comments.
but people were saying that you're the virgin vlogger and that he was a Chad YouTuber.
What does that mean?
It's the picture right there.
I like
the
that one of
thuggy?
me and the thuggy, dude.
Jesus fucking
Can
Christ.
Tommy explain this?
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm
So
not gonna
you guys
lie.
Ever owned a fucking thuggy?
So
I'm not gonna lie, dude. When I saw that picture of you, I was like, that's I like.
So
I
would
like
you
trying to look it
rather
up.
you'd rather own a thuggy than a C-weight, right?
A C-weight, I think, is better.
What's a C-weight?
What's a C-weight? What's
C-
a
this
C-
is-
really not a CHB2
Tell him
fan.
this is real life, Twiggy. Tell him what a C-weight is. This is real life.
It's basically just some weights you tie to your dick and the gravity.
I knew it. I thought that was
That's
but
what
I-
it is.
No,
That's
no, no,
basically
no, no, Twiggy. You got to tell him who invented and
Oh,
markets
it's
them.
CHB2. You didn't know this. You're really not
Is that
big a
even
fan.
like does that do anything? I'm asking.
He
for a friend.
claims.
So okay, well, all right. Let's take this from like all angles.
So
One,
you hate Rudnick.
I
Yeah,
hate
that's
him.
the first and only angle.
Anyone doing legal giveaways is probably using Martin King. It's a lawyer in New York City. They're specialized in giveaways, whatever the fuck.
He's like the
raffles.
old. They're like the old logo Nismo of handling giveaways.
So
Oh,
it's Twiggy's people.
Wow. He's saying they're
I know.
Jewish.
I didn't say that. You said
I
that.
don't
That's
know.
what he's
I don't know.
saying.
I've
You
never
said that.
That's what
Everything-
Netgear just said.
I think Motion Auto took a shot at me. He was like, "Wish I could do talking videos with Tommyfyeah." I'm like, "Wish I could do sanding videos like Trevor." Like, there's nothing.
He does do sanding videos.
Yeah, that's like
Dude.
almost worse. I don't want to see that.
Well, you know what? Somebody had said on the subreddit, Tommy is like meatloaf and onions. What's your response to that?
I don't even know what the fuck that means.
And he put fucking I'm drunk, dude. The fucking
You
and
know,
that you know what? Me and Twiggy have talked about that, especially with Hoonigan, and YouTube as a whole has kind of jaded people with cars.
hell
And
yeah.
It makes
Why
a
is
lot
this
of people
doing-
without cars like talk all kinds of shit. Like motherfucker, you
Yeah,
didn't
so
have
many
a
people are
car.
like, oh, I hate GTRs. They don't drive good,
Yeah, like-
but they've
like,
never
motherfucker,
driven one.
You don't even have a Corolla.
You don't even have a
what the fuck are
license,
talking
and
shit
you're
about?
talking about driving mechanics of a GTR,
Well-
and you don't know anything.
well,
Because they
That's
see
why-
the craziest builds on Hoonigan and shit like that.
Yeah,
That's why it's sad that forums are dead because, or like that YouTube isn't a forum. Because the thing is, one thing you'll never get at a forum is someone who doesn't own that car just like chilling and talking shit.
yeah, because you go to the FD forum, and it's all guys who own FDs or are looking to buy
Exactly.
an FD.
Exactly. And you go on my channel, and you know
And it's all idiots.
I'm the wedding planner.
Me personally, I can't stand Jack. I wish Jack was here right now, I'd fuck.
He's there.
Oh, well, I guess what?
Boy.
I'm here right now.
I'm so stoked that Jack's here because now it's like I got my team.
Your team is you and
we
Jack.
have- yeah. It's skins versus shirts.
Hell yeah!
What's up?
All right, I'm taking the shirt off then. You guys
Okay.
can be shirts.
I thought we were skin.
Can we just all be skins together?
Yeah, let's just be skin.
Yeah, and we'll just
Okay,
hug.
well,
We'll just
this-
hug.
this- I'm gonna
No,
be
but-
honest with you. This podcast is a little gayer.
It's a little gayer than you thought.
Yeah,
What?
I'm just we're moving in that direction.
I take that
can
as
feel
a
it.
compliment. And I've said this, months ago, whatever, that I thought something that would be good for Rudnick is if he had like an actual goal for a build. Like it's always just build it, but it's never like
Yeah.
to make this.
Yeah,
event.
for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like he
Right.
doesn't set himself any time constraints. I think that really drives you to be very anal like that, because I know I've worked on cars till 5, 6, 7 in the morning, and you start again at 10. You sleep for 2 hours and keep going. And
Jack
Well,
is
if you look at
Jack
look
is
at, like-
someone that does that. He'll just sit there and like work on a
Yeah.
car until what he touched is done.
in this case with this.
What I
Yeah.
think Jack is trying to say that it's like that Taylor Swift song "Bad Blood."
yeah,
It's like something.
everything can be explained with a Taylor Swift song, though.
No, I mean the biggest thing with Roberto, we never, I guess from day one, or not day one, but like let's say day fucking 50, we never got along because he definitely has some weird underlying issue, which was like he's a hater. He's literally one of you guys in the comments. He's Netgear, not or Red 10, or he's one of them in real life.
You're a fucking hater, Tommy.
Hell yeah, I am a hater, and that's why we.
Well, yeah, that's it. It's swing for swing.
This is the 12-year-old hater podcast. We are the 12-year-old haters.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you think it's just, the rift between you having so little hair and he having so much hair?
He's losing his hair. I think maybe he doesn't want to be.
He does have a pretty radical
I think that's why you didn't like me, Tommy.
Because you just got too much hair.
Because I have too much hair.
The world would be a better place.
I don't know if I didn't like you. I
can't
keep up with all the people I don't like.
Whoever knows, like, oh, I made Tommy mad because he replies, ha ha.
Hell yeah.
Do you ever like
ha ha, delete this?
Do you ever like post a video like rubbing your hands together like this is gonna get so much hate?
Dude, like sometimes like the reason that I play the villain so well and thing is because he has some. I've been literally gotten death threats like about bullying Rudnick or whatever, and like
stop bullying him.
I want to address something quick. Someone said, "All right, so hold on. I wish I knew who everyone was. Is Red 10 the white Red 10 standing by that fucking piece of shit?"
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, it's the one you hate.
Yeah, no, I literally want to see that guy dead.
Is it really that bad?
We can like kind of make it out.
It's not that bad, but I'm sure it's worse for YouTube.
Dang. All right. Well, I'm gonna try to tell the story.
That was the worst statement you've ever made.
I'm gonna try.
Jack, I'll tell the story. Jack, I'll tell the story for you just to make sure it gets across if you'd like.
Some good shit.
Do you think Dusty could beat my shitty Lemons car?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's because Texas's car jutsu is off the chain.
Car what?
Car jutsu.
Car jutsu.
Yeah.
What's that?
He's just being a fucking weeaboo piece of shit. Like, remember when you said you were a weeaboo and you got shit on for it?
The new Supra should be the BRZ.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, that's what I said.
We said that too. Yeah.
I did say that. I said it.
Oh, shut the fuck up, idiot. I fucking said it.
Hey, I'm gonna pee real quick, guys. Don't talk shit about me.
This in an hour, bro.
Dude, I've been drinking.
Oh, yeah.
Don't talk shit.
Let's talk shit about him.
I'll find out.
Gay or gay cobalts?
Gay.
We have no.
Is it an SS?
Yeah, is it a Cobalt SS?
If the SS turbocharged, I mean, I can get behind that. I wouldn't be proud of it, but
no one else has rode my dick with power like that you did. You know?
With
power.
With power.
Wow.
He's giving you the ride of your life.
I think it's
power bottom moves, you know.
Tommyfyeah confirmed power bottom, everyone.
No. He's
he's saying THX is a power bottom.
No, you can't be a bottom and ride a dick. That's top.
That's the joke, you fucking idiot.
Top.
Jesus Christ.
No, man.
Okay, who do you think is the hottest? Jonah, Anna, or Tiara?
Oh my God, this can't be.
What is the question? Are you fucking kidding me?
Yo, I wonder if I can expose this now. I mean, can I expose some shit just real quick because no one cares?
Yeah. Fucking fire away, dude.
Like, fuck Cam, fuck Orion, fuck all the Nazis. I don't even think Orion knows about this shit. Cam fuck Jonah. Confirmed, straight up.
Shut the fuck up.
I swear on my children's lives that's on the board. Put that shit on YouTube. I hope Orion and Cam and everyone. Cam fucked Jonah at like right after that long trip, straight up. And I've wanted to say it for so long, and like.
But how do you know?
It's confirmed, dude. Confirmed.